Hi. Today I want to share with you some interesting facts about a board game that you probably have never heard about. I hadn't until I started my International Games newsletter research. It's called Nine Men's Morris, and it's a board game similar to the look and feel of a small chessboard. It's one of the oldest games in history, dating back to 1400 BC. There's no direct accountability of its country of origin. There have been several documented sightings all over the world, from an early diagram of the game in an Egyptian temple to here in the southwestern United States, among the Zuni and other Indian tribe artifacts. What I was most fascinated about this game was a reference to a Shakespearean play, A Midsummer Night's Dream. In Act 2, Scene 2, it comments that the Nine Men's Morris is filled up with mud. This passage is cited as evidence that this game was played outdoors and was popular among commoners at the time. It's a two-player game with 23 pieces played on a board with concentric squares of increasing size. The center square is known as the mill, which is ancient Celts believed to be sacred. After the coin toss, players take turns moving their pieces to vacant points on the board. The strategy is in placing your pieces to block your opponents from creating a string of three pieces on a line. This is what is called creating a mill. The first player to get their opponent down to two pieces or block their opponent from making any legal moves is the winner. Nine Men's Morris is more about problem-solving process than encompassing logical thinking, strategizing, and being able to visually anticipate your opponent's moves. I equated this board game with the strategy and patience of playing backgammon, chess, or checkers. I found it challenging to play, leaving me with a desire to do better the next time. The best part is it is portable and fits in my bag. It can also be downloaded as an app. When you click here, you have the opportunity to see how it is being played.
Welcome, problem solvers, to the amazing game Nine Men's Morris. In this game, we're working on problem solving, logical thinking, and planning strategies. Let's jump into the game. Okay, problem solvers, stick with me here. I'm going to help you with the instructions. Okay, players have pieces, and they take turns to place their pieces onto the empty spots. There's going to be empty spots here. So on these intersecting places, they can put them. If you form three in a row, that's called a mill, and you get to take the other player's piece, one of their pieces. So this white guy got the mill, and a piece would come off. Also, after all the pieces have been used, you can move the pieces on the board.
Game Crafters is the original homepage for Nine Men's Morris. When you click here, it takes you to a website where you can read about the history, explanations, rules, strategies, and different variants of the game. On the left-hand side, there are several other games that you can read about. The next link I'm going to have you click on is my iMovie commercial. Thanks for watching my iCommercial. Next, I'm going to have you click here on Anna's Adventures, where it takes you to a website where you are able to print a board for your own play. You can use tiddlywinks, rocks, anything that doesn't roll, marshmallows if you want. Thank you for visiting.